Hello EABH community. My name is Frank Russo-Bello. I am originally from Portugal and I have lived in South Africa many years, where my family is also from. We have relocated to Belo Horizonte, where I lead Anglo Gold Ashanti as president. I am also a proud EABH parent since 2019 and currently have the privilege to serve on the board of directors for EABH. We understand this is a difficult moment and everyone has been impacted by the pandemic one way or another. With challenges though, we are pushed to become responsible citizens and learn about perseverance. Both responsible citizenship and perseverance are values of the EABH community. I am very proud to raise my two daughters in a community that embraces these values. It's rewarding to see EABH rise to the challenge and come out stronger through collaboration, cooperation, and commitment. We wisely took advantage of our time with online learning while students are not on campus to start the building of Block 1. During these challenging times, we are committed to the here and now, but this does not mean that we lose sight of our future. As a board member, one of my most important governance duties is to help secure the longevity of our school community. We have made lots of needed improvements and invested in our children's learning spaces. Come on, let me show you. The safety of our students and community members is always at the top of our priorities. That is why our construction project began with the repair of the 5 main areas damaged by the heavy rainfalls back in January 2020. The damages posed a structural risk to our campus that needed prompt attention. We are very pleased to share that we have fully recovered these damaged areas. The rain damage project was concluded in January 2021. This is a very important achievement, not just for the EABH internal community, but also as responsible citizens to protect our neighbors and pedestrians that circulate the area. In 2011, we conducted a study about the future of EABH and its ideal size. The study was done together with our association members. From that, we applied the stakeholders' feedback to create the EABH long-term strategic intentions. This document has served as a foundation which has helped shape all future strategic plans that include the enrollment plans as well as the expansion of our instructional facilities to support growth with the adoption of the EABH Master Plan. Sage Hall and the school parking lot are part of our master plan and we are very pleased with its successful completion. Block 1 is the first stage of the construction of our T building. The T building will house learning spaces for students in lower school and upper school. Block 1 will also feature 12 new dedicated classrooms for our upper school students, including an outdoor patio on the rooftop floor. Arcsol is our assigned architect, specializing in school design. The new building will feature green technology components that include natural ventilation, rainwater harvesting, and natural lighting to reduce artificial lighting requirements. The construction of Block 1 will be completed by the end of the first semester of the next school year, 2021-22. The construction for Block 1 is being funded by the Association Fee Reserve. The Association Fee Reserve is a fund that has been specifically established and dedicated for the longevity and maintenance of the school. We have not yet met our goal of raising 3 million reais with our EABH Future Campaign program. We continue to count on your help to support the completion of the Block 1 project with needed equipment and furnishing. So far, we have raised almost 500,000 reais. This is very impressive for a school that is just beginning a giving program. With all our support and all our collaboration, we can achieve our community goal and continue to reach new heights as a leader school in Latin America. Another EABH Master Plan project, initiated simultaneously with Block 1, is the full reform of our kitchen, new lockers area and underground solid waste shelter for proper sanitary disposal and recycling management. And like many schools, EABH runs its own meal service, equipped with a team of kitchen staff that is led by an internal nutritionist. We serve over 1,500 healthy and balanced meals per day for our students, faculty and staff. We follow strict hygiene procedures and have inspections conducted by the Vigilância Sanitária. We are pleased to have completed a full renovation of our kitchen that will better support our practices with temperature-controlled storage rooms, dedicated preparation areas, as well as new industrialized appliances. You can see it, almost the Gordon Ramsay show. The kitchen renovation required us to expand our spaces and occupy the gym locker areas. This means relocating our locker rooms to the other end of the gym, where new spaces are also being built to accommodate separate rest and work areas for our staff, as well as dedicated athletic offices and storage rooms. We have taken advantage of this new area to also build an underground solid waste shelter. By hosting this underground, we are maximizing ground floor space for student activities and maintaining our open areas free from unpleasant smells and direct contact with our students. Both these constructions are scheduled to be completed at the same time as Block 1. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour as much as I did. It's very rewarding to see our school continually making progress to better accommodate our current students and support our teaching and learning philosophy, whilst also preserving our spaces for the long-term, responsible use of our campus. We can't wait to have everyone return to campus and see all that's new. We want our students and parents to feel proud to belong to the EABH community. Take care and see you soon.